Match number 6 of the day at the World Cricket Festival. India versus Pakistan. We're coming in live from the King Abdulaziz University, Jeddah. The biggest clashes of them all. The rivalry, the passion that brings out the best out of these two teams. Whenever they meet, it's always a blockbuster contest to promote with the game of cricket. And we've got the two openers. All eyes will be on these two batters to start off. They both have been in some sublime touch. Shoaib Malik and Imran Nazir. We all know what both these batters can do. Stuart Binny to start with the new ball. Fire ball coming in. Kept a bit low. Will just be a single. I might just want to come back for the two. No, says the batter. So 2 runs to start off. And a very warm welcome to the Combox. The inventor of Dusra, Mr. Saqlain Mushtaq.
High confidence because they've won 2 games, and it's a big, massive hit from Imran Nazir.
We can hear the roar from the crowd. The supporters coming out in numbers for Pakistan wherever they go. And this was just tossed up. And Imran Nazir, picking up his favourite region, hits that away for a biggie. Good.
Stuart Binny.
He goes for the big one. And that's going to be sailing away for a biggie. Well, spectators are enjoying this gala. Imran Nazir on fire.
Very aggressive execution from Imran Nazir. He loves these kind of deliveries. That's in his arc. And he was the first one who made 100 in T20 from Pakistan back in 2012. The first.
It was a little expensive in the previous game. This might be a wicket. He hasn't timed it well. And the fielder takes it. There's a big moment for Hisham. And that celebration tells it all. -8. So it's 8 for 10. I beg your pardon, for the loss of 1.
It's 8 for 1. I think that was a wonderful delivery from Hisham. The ball spun away.
That struck well. That struck hard like a tracer bullet. That's going to be a boundary. 4 runs. Imran Nazir, you give him that little width, he's going to make you pay for it.
I don't know why he didn't turn the ball the way he did to Shoaib Malik. Why quicker one to Imran Nazir? If there is a turn on the pitch, keep turning the ball.
This time again was that Rongan delivery. Get some runs, thick outside edge. And some work there by the field. Oh, that's going to run away for a 4. A good effort, but not enough to save the 4. Another boundary for Pakistan. You can see the Pakistani fans enjoying this.
That was a turning delivery, carom ball sort of, and as I said before, there is a turn on the pitch. Rather than just bowling quicker one, keep turning the ball, because he knows anything short will be punished. Landing in the areas.
This time had to reach for it, and that's going to be a 6. Over covers. You just can't keep Shoaib Malik out of action. Too much of width.
It's a good shot.
26 for 1 after 2 overs. Banged it short and straight into the hand of the fielder. What a catch! Stuart Binny is all smiles. The catch was splendid. And that definitely might just put some brakes in this Pakistani batting streak. Good catch in front of the face. Mudassar Ali joins in. But before that, it is a delivery that's been smacked over the fence for a maximum, Modi.
Absolutely, this game is swinging like a pendulum. Wicket going down, the very next ball, a maximum. No more fun. It's all about the pride for these two nations, for these players.
Undoubtedly, this delivery.
This is what happens. And you can hear that roar from the stands. They are loving it. Couple of dot deliveries, then a good comeback by Shoaib Malik. In fact, Imran Nazir, he moves to 32.
Well, yeah, a slow one down the leg side. Binny comes into bowl again, and this time wide outside off, and will be taken. Look at that. Stuart Binny is changing the game for India. 2 catches, 2 wickets in this over. Minus 16 runs, 8 per piece.
A big over for India, down to 24.
An inside edge onto the third man zone. Now that should have stopped. That should have been stopped by all means. Very, very poor piece of fielding.
Runs. What matters are runs for Pakistan. Doesn't get it where he wants it, but thick outside edge. An ordinary effort from the fielder.
First ball of the fresh over and has been smacked for a flat 6. The crowds have turned up for this entertainment. It's going to be Irfan Pathan versus Shoaib Malik.
This is what you get. It's India versus Pakistan, a shorter format. Was a bazooka towards that offside. What a hit. What a start to the over for Pakistan.
Going down on one knee. And the ball sailing into the stands for a maximum. It's raining sixes here in Jeddah.
What a hit. Back-to-back maximums. The first one toward offside. The next one going down on one knee. What a connection. Pure entertainment here at KU.
Straight over the bowler's head. Will that be taken? Yes, it is. Fantastic catch coming in at this juncture of the game. This wicket could prove crucial as far as Pakistan is concerned.
A big moment. Wanted to go straight. Astute captaincy by Irfan Pathan. 3 more legal deliveries left in this innings.
Moving across the line to the off stump and picking the ball from there towards the mid-wicket region. Maximum added to the total. So lost 8 in the previous delivery, add 6 to this one. Still -2 in the last 2 deliveries, but before that, it's been all Pakistan in this word. On that occasion, wide was a little too wide. Now straight up and over the fielder at long on, maximum.
Inching closer to that 50 mark with that maximum. What an over in progress. Got 3 maximums so far in this over. Malik doing the damage, doing that recovery for Pakistan.
They lose a wicket, 16 minus. And it's a misfield. We'll have to wait for the umpire's decision. It's going to be a boundary. So 8 runs will be added to the total, which means that the total ends up at 56. So 57 is the target. Mudassir, what do you make of this total?
I think Team India, they'll be happy going into the break. Because Pakistan, these 2 batters, they got plenty of runs. The last 2 encounters, 56 all they could manage, losing 4 wickets in their allotted 4 overs.
It's going to be Stuart Binney on strike. And with me in the commentary box is the legend himself, Saqlain Mushtaq.
Thank you, Neil. Thank you very much. Not enough runs on the board, but we'll see how Malik and Imran, they defend this total 56 runs.
Successfully.
Yeah, and the ball is swinging as well. I think he's not concentrating on spin. He's trying to swing the ball away. But that delivery wasn't a nice delivery from him. Stuart Binney punished Shoaib Malik through the point region.
On the leg side and has been smacked. We'll have to wait for the umpire's call to understand if that was a boundary or a 6. But that shot was absolutely authoritative from Irfan Pathan.
As I mentioned, he's very strong on the leg side. So
not just win this game, but to make the qualification for the semi-finals. Up in the air. He's not hit it right. It's gone vertically very, very high, and Shoaib Malik will collect that. And that'll be the first dismissal for India. Stuart Binney is out. And from 12, India slipped down to 4 for 1.
Yeah, wonderful delivery from Shoaib Malik. He's reading what exactly Stuart Binney is playing, and a little seeming to both of batsmen.
Towards the square leg, and backward square leg will come into play and take that catch. 2 wickets in 2 balls. And that is really, really bad for India and Indian fans. Mind you, if India lose this game, they're out of the competition. UAE and Pakistan will qualify. But if India were to look to win 48, leading edge in the air and taken. Oh my God, they're tumbling down like a pack of cards, the Indian batters. The Pakistani bowlers, they have a plan and they're sticking to it.
Yeah, at the moment, Pakistan is on, leading this game, controlling this game. And the great fielder, Shoaib Malik, took this catch easily. Very safe pair of hands.
Minus 10 on board. They don't really have a lot of balls to go through.
Unbelievable. What was that delivery? Where that bounce came from? 1.4 over gone. India struggling massively. Minus 10 for 3.
In the air, and should that be taken or dropped? Just be a single. This is becoming more and more difficult for India from here on. Pakistan absolutely on the driver's seat.
Yes, they are on the driver's seat. I think if you want to win the game, you shouldn't be losing wickets. It's a fabulous shot from Stuart Binney right into the second stand. A wonderful pull shot from Stuart Binney.
Well, incredible shot there. Stuart Binney staying on the back foot. And I reckon he should just play to his strengths, and this is what it is. There's no need to try anything different. Down the leg side. Was there a catch? Was there a chance? But this one will scoot towards the boundary. We'll have to get clarity from the umpire whether he's called it a wide, a leg by, or off the...
Absolutely best in the business. That's going to be in the air. Looks like that might just get the big hit that they were looking for. A maximum from the batter Stuart Binney. Takes the scoreboard to 8. 57 to win. And Malik, he's been exceptional with the ball in hand.
With the bat as well, now doing wonders with the ball, but this time, what a connection. A much needed maximum from the blade of Stuart Binney of Team India, under 105.
Oh, he's wrapped him up around the stumps. There's the middle wicket. The timber has been tasted. Again, Team India is 0 for the loss of 4. This is not a hockey match, but this is World Cricket Festival, the F2 Double Wicket World Cup, and India is under tremendous pressure.
Oh my, Malik made room and he strikes. And the keeper's focus and determination in the eyes of both the players.
Irfan says enough is enough, goes for the big heave and gets the maximum. Plenty of bat on it, but he'll have to keep continuing with those big hits, not lose wickets from here. It's a matter of losing 6 wickets in total.
A rare maximum from the blade of Irfan Pathan in this game. Champion side Shoaib Malik and Imran Nazir. Modest total. They are defending the total in style, but this time he swings it hard towards leg side. Back-to-back maximum. Another much-needed maximum from the blade of Pathan.
It's a ray of hope for India. It's done 12 for the loss of 4. You can see the focus on both these players. Banged in shot in the reach. And easy pickings for Irfan, who loves playing towards the leg.
Pakistan.
Goes for the big heave, and he's played that beautifully. That will get him another 6. 3 back-to-back sixes, a hat-trick of 6s from Irfan. Yes, the idea was to bowl it outside off, but he's read that line quite well.
A pure magic. Pathan power on display here. What a shot, what a strike. The super sub, Ahmed, with the ball. Banged in, and look at that. It travelled like a bullet. Couple of bounces, 4 runs, a good start to the over. Now forget about that semi-final qualification. Now they are looking for that 57. They want to win this encounter against Pakistan.
And that boundary was needed.
Still 34 needed. He swings, he connects, he gets a maximum. That 34 comes down to 28.
That was a brilliant hit. That has gone towards the fourth tier. He's hitting them quite well. Way too overpitched. And Irfan says thank you very much as he puts it away for a biggie.
Plenty of runs needed. He needs to get rid of Irfan. Connection, another maximum towards square leg region. Still in the hunt, Team India.
When he hits it quite well. He moves on to 35. The Team India score is 35. Banged in shot, and as he pulls it away, this was quite brilliantly connected from the middle of the willow.
Good comeback. A bit fuller. A single. 36-20 to tie that edge against Pakistan. Waqas Ahmed. Can he be the hero for Pakistan? Oh, he drops. A big moment in this contest. Bini was put down. Just a single. Unlucky is Waqas Ahmed.
Not only has he put down that catch, it was also a chance for -8 on the scoreboard. That was a sitter being put down. It's the pressure of the big game. Well, the Butley.
20 of last 3. He needs to find a boundary. Irfan on strike. He connects. Not a proper connection. A good comeback by Waqas Ahmed. Now that 19 looks distant from here onwards for Team India.
The digital host, Ms. Shruti, thank you very much.
I think it's the end of Team India in this game. What a comeback. Champion stuff from Waqas Ahmed, and they know they have got better of Team India. They came in numbers to support Team Pakistan. The experience of Waqas Ahmed was trusted by Shoaib Malik. Responding to the call of captain is Waqas Ahmed. The fireball. 12 for Team India. But what matters is a win for Team Pakistan. Under night sky, under immense pressure, they have delivered a regal performance. The crowd erupts. The celebrations begin. And well defended. A modest total of 56 by Team Pakistan.
Well, exceptional from the Pakistani side. They bowled really well. Defending 56 was always a very big task. But
ਅਸਲਾਮੁਅਲੈਕਮ ਇਹ ਜੀ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਥੋੜੀ ਜੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਨਕਸ਼ਾ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਨਕਸ਼ਾ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਚੱਲਨੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਠੇਕੇਦਾਰ ਕੋਲੇ ਉਸ ਮਿਸਤਰੀ ਕੋਲੇ जिन्हें नक्शा बनाया। हाँ भी अहमद, पहले सलाम करो और बताओ क्या क्या बनाया आपने।
मैंने बनाया एक नक्शा, तो इधर से हमारे घर के अंदर जाता है, और इधर मैंने बनाया एक गराज, और इधर बनी है बैठक, और इधर बना हमारा बेडरूम, इधर वो बना है किचन, और इधर बनी है फसल वाली जगह, और इधर है बाथरूम, इधर है टीचर रूम, इधर है टीचर हाउस, इधर है ट्यूशन वाली जगह, यह है स्टोर, ये है इमाम हेयर कट वाली दुकान, और यह है पिज़्ज़ा शॉप।
वो एंड पे पिज़्ज़ा शॉप है।
हाँ जी।
ये माम है।
हाँ जी।
चलो ठीक है। तो बच्चे ने काफ़ी मेहनत की है। मेहनत के बाद ये 2-3 घंटे की मेहनत के बाद इसने तैयार किया है। तो इसको अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो इसको लाइक कर लें और फॉलो कर लें। मिलते हैं इसी तरह नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में। अल्लाह हाफिज़। नहीं मत आई जान सामने ਜਿਹੜੇ पोस्टर लगे ने उन्होंने बड़े बड़े नाले आंदे बहा लेना। चलो लगे चलने उस्ताद जी, करो जी मनारे पाकिस्तान वाला।
हम मीनार पाकिस्तान के पास जा रहे हैं। मीनार पाकिस्तान शाफिल जरूर आना स्टेटस
ਜਿਸ ਦਿਹਾੜੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਆ ਗਈ ਨਾ
ਉਹ ਸਟੇਟ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਾਏ
ਜ਼ੂਮ ਤੇ ਕਰੋ ਹਾਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਫੋਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ੂਮ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ
ये यूफ एफ
ਅਹਿਮਦ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਚਾਰਾ ਲਿਆ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਲਸਾ ਸੀ ਜਲਸਾ ਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਲੈ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀ ਹੁਣ ਮੇਰਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਗਿਣਾ
ਮਾਸਟਰ ਜੀ ਤੇ ਬਣਾਓ
ਉਹ ਲੱਭ ਜੇ ਦੀ ਉਹ ਲੱਭ ਜੇ ਦੀ ਲੱਭ ਜੇ
ਮਾਮਾ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ
ਤੇ ਆ ਤੂੰ ਦਾ ਆ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੈਮਰੇ 'ਚ ਲਿਆ ਵਾ ਅਸਲਾਮੁਅਲੈਕਮ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ एजुकेशन कैंप को भी 4 हो गए यादी एक्सचेंज ਆਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਇਹਦਾ ਇਲਾਜ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਜ਼ਰਾ ਕੁ ਲੱਗਣ ਦੇ ਗਰਮੀ ਦਾ ਸੇਕਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਸਰਗੋਦਾ ਰੋਡ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਤੇ ਗੁਜਰਾਤ
और कितना टाइम है
ये पुत्र 2-3 घंटे नहीं घंटा 2-3 घंटे तादर ही थके ने साडे मेट्रो बस हुई हुई दरियाए रावी है दरियाए रावी अमन
किंग रोड
जो उत्ते पुल है ना किंग रोड का पुल हूँ इधर दाता साहब भी होना इधर लाहौर बॉर्डर ही इधर टर्न करना लाहौर बॉर्डर भी है मतलब लोकेशन टाइम तो 4 हो गए एक्सचेंज